Hello guys, it's Darth Gaming. Today I'm going to be doing another unbox. So let's use key. Ready? Alright, this is going to be good. No fucking way. Another very rare. Today I'm going to be playing some Rocket League. Now you can see my car looks fucking amazing. It's a pirate car. And here's my other one, which is a yeah, it looks really fucking awesome. It's my skull car. But anyway, I am going to join a fucking game of hoops. I am such an idiot, and there's a master on my team. Oh, someone with one of my friend's green wheels. We have masters? The fuck, man? Ow, fucker. Oh, I almost got an aerial off it. Of course he left. I was like, nah, I'm out. I haven't fucking scored yet. I don't know why you left. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No, I didn't mean that. Oh, are you serious? Oh, wait. Oh, that was the AI? Oh, that's so cool. I never had that celebration. Of course. Oh, that is so cool. No! Oh, that. Holy shit! That must be from the Chinese New Year thing. It's actually my bad. I'm not even gonna say much. I am an idiot. Why did I? Holy shit! Oh, that's in. I forgot. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Oh. Oh, come on. Yeah, bitch. That's in. Oh, well, whatever. Fine, it's a gold steal, but whatever. I don't give a shit, to be honest. As long as it's in, it's in. Nah, it's fine. I was gonna say it's fine, but whatever. Oh shit, my stupid car. If I hit that shit, I would be so pissed. No fucking way. This guy's now carrying me because, well, even though he stole one of my goals, I don't know. No. Wow. I accidentally clicked the wrong one. It makes me. Am I a troll? I don't know. He probably thinks I am. Because I said no. Oh, come on. Come on, let it in. Let it. Oh, no. I don't. What the fuck? A giant panda. A box! Alright, guys. I just earned a box. Gonna unbox. Just earned one. Holy shit, I got a fuck ton of items. Better unbox it. Use key. Yeah, whatever. Just give me something good. Something that amazes me. I'm legit not surprised.
Seems so.
Yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. I'll tell you what I get.
What are you gonna get it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it now. Let's see here.
Nice. Let's quickly do an unbox before I go.
Alright. Inventory. Use key. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got wind sweep. I don't
Wait,
even
what's
know.
that?
It's a
skin or what?
it's a paint for a fucking car. No. Suck. Why do I even? Oh! I almost saved it. Uh, was the my bad one? Oh, fuck it. Perfect. Oh shit, he got it before me. What the fuck? Oh, I dodged it, didn't I? Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Come on! No! Oh, that's so close. Uh, oh, shit, yeah, that's mine. Oh, never mind. Oh. No! What? Oh! So crap. Oh! Why is every fucking camera Why? What am I doing? I think I'm just throwing the fucking game. At least. Asshole. I wanna hit myself right now. It's so fucking bad. Fuck! Ow, fucking hurt my hands. That bullshit. That was luck. Guaranteed. Oh, yeah. So, I don't think, if you're there, you shouldn't go for the ball. Never mind, we lose. I'm not doing this anymore. Fuck it. Fuck you, basketball. It's shit. Fuck you, Rocket League. Hey, I got a goal. It's just only 3 more. This is the only time I can probably hit a goal 100% in this game. Look. Never mind. I actually got it anyway. Oh, it says I got an aerial. Ah, you fucking teammate! Whatever. It was guaranteed gonna happen. To be honest, that was a shit game.